Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing from Spa Sciences. This is skincare related. I have had a Clarisonic for about 12 years or so, and maybe 10 or 11, possibly 12. And it has begun to fade and die. It's not an inexpensive tool by any means. The brushes are not inexpensive by any means, which also, you know what? We're not even going to go into that. We're not going to fill this with negativity. We're going to be positive. Um, but anyway, I was looking for an alternative because I really feel like it was a lot of money. And not that it wasn't worth it. I have gotten my money's worth with the Clarisonic. But I know there have been innovations in technology since then, since 10 years ago, 11 years ago. And I wanted to pursue my options. And this particular thing I found similar, extremely similar, as a matter of fact, uncannily. But I'm going to open it. I'm so excited. I ordered a few things from this company. This is my Mother's Day gift to myself because each individual item was not that expensive, but when you add it all up, it kind of got up there. Anyway, the first thing is exactly what I went to the website to order. Everything else was just like, ooh, that looks cool. Ooh, that looks cool. Let me try that. This is called the Nova. The Nova. I think this is the Nova. Like everything that they have on their site has like a one word name. And this is the antimicrobial sonic cleansing system. Now it looks eerily similar to the Clarisonic, except the difference is, I think, the way it charges and probably several other things, but I'm sure we'll find out. Oh, let me take everything out and then we'll go through the stuff because this box is kind of big because of the one thing that I got that I'm super, super duper excited about that I think I convinced two of my other friends to buy because I'm so excited. Okay, the next thing in the box is, oh yes, because with everything going on, and right now it's May 12th, 2020, and there has been a global pandemic going on, and a lot of places have closed down their businesses for safety reasons. So one of the things that I enjoyed doing before all this happened was pedicures. And it took me a long time to do them, but once I got myself into it, I really enjoy it. And I love the way my feet feel when they're done. And since everything was closed, I couldn't go get one. So I had to revert back to doing it myself, which is something I had done for years. So I bought polishes and blah, 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 blah. So the next thing I bought was something to help me with the pedicures, which is the Viva, right? The Viva. And this is simply just a filing tool to file off dead skin and things like that. So that was another thing. It wasn't very expensive. None of these things were individually that expensive. It's just, when you add it up, happy Mother's Day to me. The next thing, I have a couple little small things in here. Yeah. Okay. This is the power cord for the charger for my Nova, which I really didn't need now that I think about it. But I wanted to have it specifically for this because you have all these charging bricks everywhere, and some of them are calibrated differently. They have different power sources or whatever. This one is made for this, so I know I won't overheat it or overdo it or whatever. And plus, I know I have this dedicated to this, and that goes with that, and that will never be used for anything else. It might, but you never know. Okay, and then this is a Nova brush head. This is the sensitive replacement brush head. And was that a sample? I don't remember buying that. Okay, and the very last thing in the box, I have to give me a second because I need to get in the box. 1 second. The very last thing was what I think my friends may purchase because we're all skincare junkies. This is called Cool. And this is a beauty fridge. This is to keep your skincare products cool and refrigerated. It also does warm. It goes cool air or warm. It's not for, oh, I mean, you probably could put other stuff in it, but it's for serums, creams, moisturizers, toners and sprays, sheet masks, sunscreen, facial rollers, which I have one of those. I love that. Um, and products that contain vitamin C, liquid makeup products from foundation, natural organic products, liquid eyeliner, mascaras, lip and eye pencils. All those things can benefit from a little bit of refrigeration. It prolongs their life. It helps with their efficacy. And the eye facial rollers, the coolness helps depuff when you're using it. So if you have inflammation and puffiness around your eyes and you use your little skin roller, it helps to depuff that area, especially under your eyes. So I'm super excited about this. And it wasn't that expensive. Like, I kept looking online before I purchased this stuff. I was looking online at other options for this particular item because I wasn't going to buy it from them. And I found other options, but they were more expensive. And I thought, well, this one's not that expensive, so we're going to go ahead and go with that one. Thanks. This is my invoice. I did get a charging box, the mini fridge, the pedicure, and the sonic cleansing system. Oh, I think the brush comes with a sonic cleansing system because I did not purchase a brush. So I think it comes with that. Anyways, cool. The replacement brushes are only $10. They do sell these at Target, so I can go to Target and get this. I chose to get it from the website because the website had the color that I wanted. You know how I am. Okay, don't act like you don't know. I'm going to start with the cleansing system. This may be a little bit longer of a video only because I've already spent so much time talking and 7 minutes in and I haven't even shown you anything. Ooh, a free gift. Oh, okay. So our free gift to you is, oh, wait a minute. Did they send me one and I get another one? Okay. Okay. This is an instructional booklet, which I will read. I do read instructions because I don't like to break stuff that I paid for. She's so, oh, and she comes with a brush. She's so pretty, and she's lightweight too. She's probably a little bit charged, but oh, she sure is. Yes. And then it comes with a charging dock. And the dock, she just sits in there like this, like so. And this is USB. Now, I do have a outlet in my kitchen, oddly enough, that has a USB connection next to the two 120 prongs. I do not, however, have that in my bathroom. So that's why I bought this, so that I have this to plug in to that and plug it into the wall. So it comes with its charging port, sits right in there. I'm so excited. It's the little things in life, you know, when you're able to clean your skin the way you want to, it's important. Okay, and it also comes with product warranty information. Yes. Okay, nicely packaged, very cute, and super lightweight. I like that. It's not heavy. Not heavy at all. Okay, the next thing is the Viva. I already cut it open. Now, this is probably not a necessity. I probably could do this with a spongy thingy, one of those Mr. Pumice thingies, but those do make a mess in my bathtub. I mean, they're effective, you know, but then they get worn in a certain way. Anyways, this is cute. Ooh. Also has a USB connection, so that brick will work for both of these, which is good to know. This is also pretty lightweight. This is rechargeable as well. Ooh. And what this is the coarse one, and it's labeled coarse, and you can see that it's, you know, pretty rough, and it just spins around and files it off. Okay, glad I didn't accidentally touch that while I was looking at myself. And then it also has a fine one. So what you want to do is you want to file that roughness off with the coarse one, and then smooth it off. Smooth it with the fine one. And then it also comes with a little brush. to clean the files with. Product warranty information, instructional booklet. I will probably read that just to make sure I don't peel my skin off. Excited about that as well. This little fridge. I currently do not have room in my bathroom for any of this stuff. Well, the Clarisonic is gonna, that's gonna be put away, and it still works. And it only works. I'll charge it all night, and it'll work for one cycle, and then I'll try and use it again, and it'll say that the battery's dead. That's not cool. Okay. French time. Is she adorable or what? Is she the absolute cutest? She is so cute. Okay, I'm going to admit she's a little smaller than I thought, which I'm thankful for because I was thinking she was going to be big, and I'm thinking, where the heck am I going to put that? Like, I can rearrange some stuff in my bathroom because I have a lot of counter space, but where's that going to go? I'm so glad because I was a little nervous. I was a little nervous that she'd be too big, and she's not. Little handle. And I think the cord and everything are inside because there's nothing inside the box. Oh, and it has a little, oops. It's all plastic, but it has a little handle at the top. Oops. Sorry. Didn't mean to hit you in the face there. Okay, power cord. Oh, is that a car adapter? What the what? This like little shelf. If you, like, let me show you the box. This is the configuration that it shows on the box. So let me see if I can. So the little shelf goes on the door, then the rack goes there, so you can layer it. And let me see if I can pull up some pictures online, and I will do that in a second. But let me put my shelf on here. It's like putting together a dollhouse. I am so excited. Thankfully, I'm wearing my glasses and I can see what I'm doing. And that goes in there. Did I do this right? Or no, it's this way. Yes. Okay, and I do believe that this is a, oh, I forgot to put that back with the thing. This power cord goes to this for the wall. And you can take this in the car with you. So I guess if you need to take it, if you're traveling, like going on a road trip, like when I drive home, I can take my fridge with me. Oh my God. I'm not going to go to their website. I'm going to go to our group chat and show you a picture of what it looks like inside when it's full of stuff. And this is just a picture that one of the girls found online. This is not my website, so I don't want to. There we go. But that's the potential of what it can look like on the inside with your skincare products. This is the skin roller that I was talking about. It's usually made of jade. So you can, it's cool. It stays cool. But when it's cooler, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much I'm just going to go because I will end up talking all night. On the back, there is a section for cold and hot. And it probably doesn't get that hot. But your 12 volt and your 110 volt. So each of them has a different connection. This is the 12 volt that goes into the car. This is 110 volt that goes into your power outlet in the wall. So thank you, Spa Sciences. This is, again, not a sponsored video. These are all my own ducats, okay? And this brush, this is my replacement, replace every 6 months, which is nice. Because Clarisonic said 3. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I mean, but I did originally replace them at like 3.5, 4 months. But lately, my brush I only use once a day because I wash my skin differently at night than I do in the morning. So I didn't need that much replacement. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, instructions. Sorry. As you can see, my head is everywhere. I can't even focus. I'm gonna put these back in here. Take this plastic off. And it comes with a little handle. How cute is that? How cute is this? Oh my gosh. She is adorable. You are so cute. I cannot. I'm going to film her. I have sheet masks. You know I do. You know I have skincare products. You know I have moisturizers. I have serums. I have all of that. And it's all going in this bad boy. This beautiful girl. Oh, she spins really nicely on my table too. Oh, I gotta go. I gotta go. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed week. Be safe. Continue to wash your hands. Continue to love on those that love you back. And continue to receive the love that they have for you. Peace.